Stop letting Amco rebuild y'all's CVT transmissions. In that clip, you know what that was? That's called hunting in a CVT transmission. I'm not too sure if it does it in automatics, but that is definitely hunting in a CVT transmission. Now here's what I have to say to that. Stop letting Amco rebuild y'all's CVT transmissions. If you have a CVT transmission, don't take it to fucking Amco. Just because they're a transmission shop does not mean they belong in CVT transmissions. This is the kind of poor ass quality you get when you let Amco touch your transmission. Boom, oil leak. First off, see that pink silicone? Yeah, that's what's supposed to be used to reseal these transmissions, not gray stuff. Gray is for the engine, pink is for the transmission. Let me show you on that Rogue. See, looking through the undercover, pink silicone for the transmission. It's actually called Loctite. So with that being said, they used the wrong adhesive or not adhesive, but silicone to reseal this. Look at this harness placement. Horrible. Like, I can point out so much stuff that they did wrong on this vehicle, but then this video would be so long it'd get boring. I don't understand why they keep trying to repair CVTs. This particular CVT ain't even got a rebuild kit for it. So what do? They probably just replace the valve body and then they crack it open and clean everything out and then throw it back together. And then they wonder why there's still issues, because they're not doing it correctly. Long story short, they charged the customer to rebuild this CVT when there's no rebuild kit available and it still has issues. And to top it off, their workmanship is so horrible. Missing clips, not secured, that's not secured, chewed up. I don't know what that is. Shit. They probably lost the bolt that goes there, so incorrect fastener. And that's not even the correct hold down either. Chewed up wiring harness. The list goes on and on, guys. Long story short, just because Amco rebuilds transmissions does not mean they should be inside of a CVT. If you have a CVT and you're having CVT issues, your best bet is to take it to a dealership or just get the whole transmission replaced. Now, had they replaced the transmission, the quality probably would still be at this level because you have to R&R it, right? But they still left shit not where it's supposed to go. That's my big gripe when it comes to aftermarket shops that are not dealerships. See, if this were to happen at a dealership, one clip misplaced and the customer catches that, they have our ass on a hook. Yeah, customers are like that. Y'all are like that. Y'all don't care when it comes to aftermarket shops if it looks like trash, but when it comes to a dealership, y'all hold us to the highest accountability for every little thing. Oh, I just had my transmission replaced, now my wipers are streaking. Yeah, that's the type of we deal with at the dealership. But let somebody rebuild your CVT, you don't care about the quality, you only cared about the price. Guys, stop going to freaking Amco. And I'm not talking about this customer in particular about the pricing. I'm just saying that's how the comments are. That's how the general public is, because they're uneducated on what actually happens at a dealership. They're uneducated on what the dealership is here for. All they care about, all people normally care about is pricing. And then they end up paying more in the end because wherever they took it, charged them, didn't fix it. Then they go to the dealership, get a correct fix and have to dish out more money. And then the previous shop just doesn't want to cover the issues. There was no reason for this transmission to be cracked open. None.